Alright guys, we are back. I got the tanks all put up, at least in baggies, and these are all the 16 strips of Bikini Beach put up. There's a lot of them things, man. There's a lot in them bricks. So we went through that one. I had a video recently on this one. It's one of my favorite totes. I did get those recently. There's already a video on that. So there's 1, 2, 3 left. Fuck. 1 second. Alright, so we'll take a look in this one. We got some firecrackers. Some of these guys. Couple packs of mouses in there. Cool. Alright, what did we have here? Looks like we got some aliens, some 16s. I've never actually had a brick of those of 8016s. Never seen one. A couple more of them. Phantom Fireworks Wolfpack Ladyfingers. These are 350s. They are red and greens. This pack was kind of tore up. They only had a couple when I got these years ago. Here's another pack. It's in pretty good shape. Pretty cool. And what do I have here? There's another one of those 350s. A bunch of, let's see, what is this shit? Ladyfingers and aliens. Pink elephants, just random shit, I guess. I think that's all this is down here this way, it looks like. Yeah, these are the cutting edge. The bricks in these are weird. There's the soft wrap bricks. And Black Cat Ladyfinger packs, it looks like down here, which are the best lady crackers I've ever shot. So those are nice. Yep, more Ladyfinger packs down here. I think that's all those are, yeah. And then over on this side, these are display models of the 350 bricks I have. These are wrapped different, and these are actually better than what's in the brick, which is crazy. These are actually really good. I bought out the last they had. See, these are the brick ones. Here's another display model, and these are really good. The other ones ain't that good, just from my experience. So, and that's all these are. There's 350 strips of ladyfingers down here. Let's grab another tote. Alright, we're going to go with the big one. We only got 2 left, so on top of it we have a brick. What is this? 300 strip of Pyro Predator hail bombs. I got it wrapped up because it's like real thin foil wrap on the brick, so they can survive longer. I don't know if I have any packs of those. I don't think so. So let's get in this big boy. There we go. There's some of them ducks. Those are pretty good. Alright. These are very nice. This is a 4016's Black Cat. These actually have inside the same crackers that are in the anniversary strips, where they have kind of the cat logos and they're kind of like pink and dim. The same ones that are in this brick, which I thought was cool, so I held on to it. Okay, Mega Bangers, Ladyfingers, 40s. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the red wraps. 5, damn. 6. Okay, so there's 6. There's a couple more from, I think 2 more from the first video I was making in this series. Part 1 maybe, I don't know. Alright, let's go down here. We got the best lady crackers ever, in my opinion. Black Cats, 4040s. We got 1, let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. We got Biggs Lady Crackers, 4040s. Just haven't seen these around. I seen these one time. That's when I bought them. I have not seen them. I haven't been going to stores lately either, so I don't know. All right, we got a Viking. What is this? This is a 86 teens. This is cool. It's got the boat wrap. Some just say Viking. Some have the ships, and some are just red wraps. So that's a cool looking brick. Let's see, another Viking down here. Alright, this is a big one. This is a Viking 2100 strips. And what's cool about this one, it actually has the Warpath wrap, which is weird. So this one is Warpath, the Vikings. 2100 strip there. Pretty big brick. Let's see, we got Red Devil. This is a cool ass brick. It's newer, but it's cool. 10 200 strip, and the wrap on this one is really nice. Pretty cool. Okay, let's go deeper. Looks like we just got some random packs of aliens, wise guys, some Blockbuster and shit. Some 50 strip. Okay, we got some, these are really cool. Some flower basket missile battery 50 shots. And what cap art, this was from Shelton's. I guess it was a bunch of old stock, so they just put their Mad Hornet label over the top of these flower baskets. I had a couple of these. I shot them. They were really good. Surprising, even though they're pretty old. Some more alien star bombs. I think these are just red. Black Market. These are pretty good. They're not your standard tube cracker with the firecracker. They actually have a little flash in them. They're pretty decent for what they are. Let's see, we got a bunch of packs of those, actually. Look at what I was getting them for, dude. Jesus Christ. And there's a bunch more of those. Jesus. I didn't remember having this many. There's like 5, 6, 7 more. Some open ones. I'll pull one of these out for you guys in case you haven't seen one. That's what they look like. Anyways, there's another one of those in there, actually. Anniversary strips. These are cool as hell. A few of those in there. We got a loose Mickey Mouse in here. These are okay. Pretty good. Got some mermaid brands, packs, different colors. A bunch of those. We got another Black Cat. What is this one? Another 5400. Oh, nice. Cool. So there's another. That's the second one that I've gotten. And this is a huge fucking bag of Wise Guy firecracker packs. And that would do it for that one.